Great new things going on here in Indy.
Yeah, it's I always think like that nothing ever changes in higher ed, but somehow at IU Indy, it's like everything is changing all at once with the split for right. So students are just exposed to people and opportunity at every turn.
Strikeout is the Indiana Sports Corps. They have their hands full, as they always do, as this bunt pushed up the third base line.
Oh,
what a beauty.
Yeah.
It's going to hit the bag, and Sung-Chae Chang has his second hit of the year on the first day back of his option. He dropped the bunt down, and Jace Young played it properly because he had no chance to throw him out, so he was just hoping it would take a left turn, but it hits the bag, which means it's a fair ball and a bunt single.
In that case, it's terrific. The pitch is high and away, ball one to Chang, but Master of the Year. Pitch is high and away. Jack Sawaki was born, the father Joel, well, it doesn't matter when Joel was born. No, Joel was born in the fall and grew up. Fastball is a strike. Joel's from the 2-1 delivery. Swung on, hammered on the ground, foul outside of first. 2 balls and 2 strikes. 2 outs, nobody on. I think Ethan wants to become a broadcaster. The righty rocks, kicks, and delivers. Swing and a miss. He pulled the string, struck him out with a changeup. 3 up, 3 down. 5 innings are in the books. Toledo 3, the Indians 1.
Get a scoreless 5th inning. They trail 3-1. First pitch swinging is Bly Madris. A little shallow pop-up out in the left field. Here comes Sung-Chae Chang on a sprint. Will make the catch in shallow left field. Chang tracking that from the get-go. Able to go grab it and rob the former Pirate and Indianapolis Indian Bly Madris. 1 pitch, 1 out. He's in your screen if you're watching along with us. Is the 1-1 grounded to Chang. Coming in to score is Baddoo to tie the game, as Chang will throw out Young 6-3. But Baddoo scores and we're tied at 4. Holding at second is Unruh as that ball bounced right by him. It's the second out of the inning, but we're knotted at 4. That lead short-lived for the Indians. Nice job, though, by Young. It didn't get through, but you could tell what he was trying to do. He was trying to hit against that shift and get a base hit with a perfect bunt up the third base lines. The first pitch in for a strike. The bunt hit the bag at third base. That's about as well as you can do it, unless you somehow get it to roll into the left field corner. 0-1, low and outside for a ball. Last week's when he did it. 1-1, low and inside for a ball. 2-1. The Taiwanese Justin Bieber is the 2-1. Taken for a strike. We had in 2013, when they were still in the National League and pitchers were still hitting and running the bases. He was on the comeback trail. 2-2, ripped back up the middle into center field. A base hit by Chang. He's 2 for 3. Big turnaround first, but Baddoo will get the ball back in. And Chang, the potential go-ahead run, is aboard. He's got some speed, too, and I imagine the Indians might be a little aggressive on the base paths. We'll see. Lefty pitching, but nonetheless.
And also, Bay at the plate is a good bunter.
Third baseman Jace Young is in from third. 2-1. Now plate where Chang on the move. The pitch, swing and a miss, strike 2. Throw down to second is high, and Chang swipes second. Chang a steal. It's the 3rd stolen base of the night for the Indians. They stole 6 last night, which matched a season high. Batting average is up to .271 on the year. The OPS climbing near 800. There goes Sung-Chae Chang trying to steal third. He is thrown out by Chafin. Chafin steps off the rubber, fires over to Jace Young, who tags him out 1-5. Well, the Hens were swung a little bit more to play towards short with Young, but he won the foot race to the bag. He didn't have that far to go. And
left-hand hitter, they play him straight up. He takes a fastball thigh high. Young at third and on the infield grass, and the pitch is low and outside, ball 1. Miller to the belt. Miller delivers. Swung on, ground ball up the middle. Base hit center field. He'll make the turn at first. Baddoo up with it. Chang with a single to center, and The potential winning run is on. One man out here in this tie game in the bottom of the ninth. Tied at 4. Ji Hwan Bae, the batter. He's 0